Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install, configure, and use the All-in-One SEO plugin for WordPress. This powerful plugin helps you optimize your website for search engines, driving more traffic to your site. Let's get started. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to install, set up, and effectively use the All-in-One SEO plugin. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned WordPress user, this tutorial will help you enhance your site's SEO. Let's dive right in. First, let's install the All-in-One SEO plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New, and search for All-in-One SEO. Click Install Now next to the All-in-One SEO plugin, and then click Activate. Once activated, you'll see a welcome screen for the plugin. Now we're ready to start the configuration process. After activation, the SEO setup wizard will launch automatically. Click Let's get started. The first step is to provide some basic information about your site. Select the type of site you have, such as a blog, news site, or online store. Fill in your site's homepage and name, then click Save and Continue. Next, enter details like the organization or person name, upload a logo, and provide social media profiles. This information helps search engines understand your site better. Click Save and Continue. In the Search Appearance section, configure how your site should appear in search results. Set your home page title and meta description, which are crucial for SEO. Click Save and Continue. Now let's dive into the advanced settings. Go to All-in-One SEO, General Settings. Under Webmaster Tools, you can verify your site with various search engines by adding verification codes from Google, Bing, and others. This helps ensure your site is indexed properly. In the Sitemaps section, enable the sitemap feature. A sitemap helps search engines crawl your site more efficiently. Customize the settings based on your site structure, then click Save Changes. Now let's optimize individual pages and posts. Edit a post or page, and scroll down to the SEO settings below the content editor. Enter a compelling SEO title and meta description. These elements appear in search results and influence click-through rates. Use keywords naturally and keep the description concise and informative. Set a focus key phrase for your content. This key phrase should be relevant to your topic and what users are likely to search for. SEO will provide suggestions and an analysis of how well your content is optimized for the key phrase. Explore the advanced settings for each post, including social media settings, schema type, and more. These settings help you optimize content further and improve its performance on search engines. SEO offers an SEO analysis tool to help you identify areas for improvement. Go to All-in-One SEO Analysis to run a site-wide analysis. Review the results and implement the recommendations to enhance your site's SEO. If you have a local business, the local SEO module is invaluable. Go to All-in-One SEO, Local SEO, and configure your business information. This helps your site rank better for local searches. This option is only available in the Pro version. In the Social Networks section, configure how your content appears when shared on social media platforms. Set default images, titles, and descriptions for social shares. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully installed, configured, and optimized your WordPress site using the All-in-One SEO plugin. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Leave any questions or comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.